Hello everyone, it's Madam of the Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make turmeric fried rice, and this is going to be amazing. It is so tasty and easy to make, it can go with any dish. So let's get started.
Madam will be using 6 cups of rice, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon and a half of salt, half a teaspoon of black ground pepper, 4 medium-sized tomatoes, a head of garlic, and a tablespoon of butter.
Start by dicing the tomatoes, cut them into half and half again. And please, don't skip the tomatoes because tomatoes will add some sweetness to this recipe and they're good for you anyway. I'm sure you're going to like it. Now I'm going to mince my garlic. A head of garlic has about 10 to 12 cloves, which of course will add a good amount of flavor to this recipe. Now they're ready. Let's do it. Now let's place a pan over medium-high heat, and I will be adding a tablespoon of oil. A tablespoon of oil is just enough to saute the garlic and tomatoes with. Here you go. Once the oil is hot, I can then add a tablespoon of butter. Butter adds some flavor to this recipe, as well as it will prevent the garlic from burning. I am just going to let it melt. Now it looks ready. I will add my minced garlic. Just saute the garlic for a minute or until you can smell the aroma that comes from the garlic. Just like that. Let it cook, but remember not to burn the garlic as you may not like it. This garlic and butter smells good. You should be smelling this right now. And it smells ready too, so I am now ready to put my tomatoes. Look at those tomatoes, so colorful. Just saute them together. Just saute and wait for those tomatoes to be soft, and then you can add your spices. Alright, they look good. I am going to pour in my turmeric powder and let it cook for just a minute or two. At this time, you should be able to smell the fragrance from the garlic, tomato, and turmeric powder. I like adding the turmeric powder this way, as you really have to cook this spice anyway. Once they are well combined, I will season this with salt and pepper. I'm going to mix them again and cook the seasoning for a little bit. Now that it's ready, I'm going to get my rice. Pour the rice into the pan and mix everything together. This process of adding the seasoning first will make it easier to combine the ingredients with your rice. And with this recipe, you know that you're going to have garlicky, turmeric-y, and tomatoey kind of rice. Now that it's ready, serve it while it's hot and add some flavor to your fried rice. I hope you like this video. Click on the like button below and don't forget to subscribe. Tell me how you make your fried rice at home on the comment section below.